Bossman, how many songs did they do?
I do 4 songs.
4 songs.
Okay, 5.
5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so maybe we go to all the 5. Okay, I mean you have all the 5 or the loops, or the loops they be only for 1 song.
Yeah, I get all the 5 songs.
Okay, cool. So maybe we go to all the songs. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. But the volume of your voice on the floor will be okay for you.
Yeah, sure, it's okay.
What about the loops?
So it's okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so let's go to the songs. Okay.
Next time.
Make them move to the next song because we foresee the transitions. The guy, you know.
Striker is the name.
As you mentioned, you name they sound like somebody will have some. It's like we have some popular song for TikTok.
No matter what you're going through, just sit hard.
And then we mention.
You read together.
And the same for the camera.
It's not really, it's upside down. When you try and bounce, if you don't give up, if you keep on fighting, there is no harm in trying. Keep on fighting until success comes, until nobody can want you. Make body proud of you. Say you can do. No matter the situation, say you can do. Forget about the problem. things until you see yourself around.